Hey all, this video is designed to show you how to submit your 1.13 short story writing assignment. If you log into your course should look something, I'm going to switch to student view. Your course should look something like this. You'll log in and you're going to see Unit 1 available. And so you're going to be in your content once it loads. You're going to log into your content and you're going to be in Unit 1. Look for Unit 1, Narrative Techniques and Structures. The assignment for the short story was down here under 1.13. So if you click on that, you will be able to see under the Assessments tab. See, look up here, I am in 1.13 Workshop Short Story. I have pushed this file out to you. It is also attached to the email that I have sent you as well. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see Assessment, 1.13 Graded Assignment. If you click on 1.13 Graded Assignment, Short Story, it is going to take you to what looks like a Dropbox folder. So when I reference Dropbox folder, you're going to scroll down and it'll say Submit Assignment. And you're going to add a file. You're going to look for it in your computer. And remember, I asked you to save it on your desktop under your English folder. So you go to My Computer, and you go to Upload, and you can, wherever you've got that file saved, right here, 1.13 Writing Assignment, Assignment Write a Short Story. You click on that, and then you hit Add. As soon as you hit Add, it will show up with an attachment. You scroll down and you just hit Submit. Once you hit Submit, this item will go away as an assignment due, and then it will notify me that I have an assignment waiting for you to be graded. Please let me know if you have any questions as to how to submit your writing assignment for your short story.